What is happening, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Yousef Zad, and today we're talking about all the crazy things that is happening between this time. So this is just a test. Don't take it too serious. I'm just thinking, having fun right here. Okay, everything looks good. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Stock market is going up crazy. The Bitcoin is going up crazy, and you have no idea what to do. Should I save some money? Should I put my money in the stock market? Should I put my money in cryptocurrency? Is it too late to buy cryptocurrency? Should I put my money in gold now? And all the crazy question that comes to your mind when everybody is talking about the stock market and Bitcoin for the past few days, and you have no idea where to start, just because you might think, oh, okay, it is too late for me to start invest into the stock market or Bitcoin. So what am I supposed to do? Should I just sit here and watch YouTube videos? I mean, sure, you have to pretty much start somewhere by liking my videos and subscribing to my channel, so I can teach you guys how to be able to save some money and where to put your money, and listen to all my recommendation. And again, these are all for entertainment purpose and my opinion. You should definitely do your own research to find out where to put your money. But let's go ahead and watch the teaser, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna teach you guys. I'm gonna teach you guys everything I know in the next few videos. But no, seriously, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make money in the stock market just by some money, not a lot, just some money. So let's go watch the teaser, come back, and we're gonna talk about that. Let's go, baby, let's go. What is happening, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Yousef Zad, and today we're gonna be talking about the stock market, Bitcoin, gold, cryptocurrency, and all that good stuff. And should you be investing your money into any of these? Is it too late to buy into it? Is the stock market too late? Is the Bitcoin too late? And I have to say, it's never too late. So start saving money and start putting your money into something, because you don't want to hold on to cash, because cash doesn't give you back anything. I mean, I'm talking about your checking account. I'm talking about the Chase and Bank of America and Wells Fargo and all the other banks that is in the US. You're not gonna make money just putting your money into your checking account or even saving account. It's not gonna get you anywhere. So what is it that you have to do to start making money, even if you have $100, $200, $300? And damn, sometimes I notice I talk so fast, and it might be a little annoying. So I'm gonna turn it down a notch and talk to you guys that way. It might be a little bit better. But again, I usually talk about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and all that good stuff in my channel. So if you find this content helpful, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and tell me what you guys think, if I should improve anything, as my channel is pretty new and I'm still learning what you guys really like me to talk about. But today I have the possibility of I'm gonna show you how much I have made in the cryptocurrency and in the stock market within the past 3 months, so you can see that. And one thing that you have to realize is a lot of the times you need to just start. And what I mean by that is, a lot of the time you have no idea what to put your money into and how much you should be investing, and you don't want to lose money. You don't want to risk your money, even the $100, $50, $200, $500. You don't want to risk it, and you don't know what to put your money into. And there's so many people on YouTube, everyday life, at your work, and all these different places that people recommend you different stuff, but you have no idea where to begin. I have to say, well, first of all, there is 2 different apps that you can download. One is Robinhood, one is Webull. You sign up with them, you deposit $100, they give you a free stock. Right now, I think Webull is giving you 3-4 stocks just to deposit $100. So that's a perfect beginning for you guys to use the link on the bottom and start earning money just for free. You haven't done nothing. All you did is deposit $100, get your free stocks, and then you don't like it, you can simply throw it away and, you know, never use the app again. But today what I wanted to focus is, where should you start? Where is that beginning for you guys if you want to start investing into the stock market? And right now it's pretty jacked up. The S&P 500, the Nasdaq have been doing amazing within the past few days, and I don't think it's never late for you guys to start, especially if you have such a little money. You don't have to really worry about it, because there's so many great companies that you can start investing your money without really worrying about the money, that what's going to happen to it. Yes, you might hear that all the way from so many people, but I think the best thing that you can do to start investing into the stock market is, for example, whatever the amount of money is. Let's say you have $100 and you want to basically invest it into the stock market. The first thing that I would say is find 20 companies that you can invest your money into. And I say 20 companies on $100 because I want you to put only 5% of your money into each company. And that's just because you want to diversify your money and you don't want to really be worried about losing even that little money into the stock market or anything that is. So because you know, you're a beginner and you want to start earning money and you don't want to get discouraged by the stock market or cryptocurrency. So if you like to invest $5 in Bitcoin, $5 in Litecoin, $5 in Ethereum and all the other stuff, only $5 in each of them that you like. So it could be Apple, Microsoft, there's two different Google class A, Google class B or C, and then Amazon, Microsoft, Sony. There's so many good stock. I'm gonna list a couple of them here down there for you guys so you guys know what to start. But again, you cannot be wrong because they actually did this I don't know, they did this test that they would have these monkeys throw darts at all these stocks that they would post it on the wall, and those literally every single one of them that basically the monkeys picked end up being the best stocks for the coming years. So, and that's just because how random it is. So you don't really have to think about what you want to put your money. I think you have to start investing. That's the first thing, because you want to get yourself familiarized with the app, with the way of thinking, with the way of saving. And if you can put your if you can find literally 20 companies to put your money, and that 20 can include the Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, gold, forex exchange, if you want to buy euros or pound or US dollar or whatever it is, you can put $5 in each of them and start making money. And what's gonna happen, you're gonna see that yes, your $100 is not gonna become $500 overnight, but you're making money every single day, because out of that 20 company, maybe 5 go down every day, but 10-15 of them gonna go up. So you're never technically gonna go down. And you also want to spread it around between different sectors of the stock market. So maybe buy 5 stock from the medical sector of the stock market. It could be Moderna, it could be Pfizer, it could be CTLT, it could be Xenex, and then maybe 5 companies from the technology sector of the basically the stock market. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, all that stuff. And then 5 can be ETFs. For example, the Vanguard, VTI, VOO, SPHD, all those things. So your money is kind of solid in it and you don't have to worry about losing money in those accounts. Basically, you have to be more consistent with saving money. I think the one lesson that I would have go back in time and taught myself would be consistent on saving money. I think the most important is to pay yourself first and to find out, and then, you know, pay your bills and entertainment and for your, you know, the things that you like to buy in life that you think are fun, like a new camera, a new gaming console, the new phone. So pay yourself first, meaning you want to save money first, and then whatever is remaining out of your paycheck, then you want to do everything else with this. And paying yourself means investing back into yourself. It could be the stock market, it could be the cryptocurrency. But again, it's never too late for you to start saving money, and it's never too late for you to start investing into the stock market or cryptocurrency. Even though the Bitcoin is about 23,000, 24,000, I don't care. $500,000, it's still not late, because when you end up saving money and investing money every single month, by the time you retired, it doesn't really matter, because you've been investing for so many years that it's gonna balance out end of all those years, and you're gonna still make money on them every single year. Again, I'm not a professional. Do your own research. You want to find out where you're gonna put your money, but I think downloading the Robinhood app, Webull app with my link, and getting few free stocks is the best way to start saving money and making money into the stock market and cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin. But again, I do have my video about Pi cryptocurrency, Pi network, which you can start mining Pi free on your phone basically and start getting paid for free basically. You don't have to do anything. You go into the app, you just click the button and you start mining for 24 hours. You don't have to put any money. You don't need your checking account or basically zero. All you have to do is sign up with my link and basically start mining Pi cryptocurrency on your phone for free. Again, if you find any helpful content in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and hope to see you guys in the next video where I'm gonna be talking about Bitcoin and if it is a great time to maybe pull your Bitcoin out of the exchange companies like Coinbase or Robinhood and save it offline so it does not get hacked one day. Hope you guys have a great day. Ciao.